Hello and welcome to Affiliate Marketing for Beginners at Entrepreneur Smart with Helen Penman. Okay, so the fact you're here, you've discovered affiliate marketing. I'm not selling anything, and that's the great thing about affiliate marketing. You don't need products of your own. You need very little money to start up and just a little time of patience. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to get your affiliate marketing business up and running today. Let's just have a quick look first at what the affiliate marketing roadmap looks like so you understand better how this is going to work. So you put an affiliate link in your blog on your niche website. Don't worry about the logistics of this right now. We'll go into that in a few minutes. Just follow the roadmap so that you understand the concept. Your customer will do a search for something about the blog that you've been writing, and they will come and find your website. So your customer likes your blog and they like the product that you're promoting and they click on the link. You'll be paid commission on the sale, around 1 to 3% depending on your affiliate merchant. And it's just a matter then of rinsing and repeat. The more links you have, the more commission you get. Where do you find these affiliate links for your blogs? Well, there are many affiliate merchants out there that represent thousands of affiliate programs in just about any niche you can think of. You will also find some independent affiliate programs too. You can see here that some of the affiliate merchants ran the network CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, and then further down an independent, which is great to see. I'm a member of Wealthy Affiliate, and this is where I come to find my affiliate links. But you'll find them online as well. Many of these companies are directly available on the internet. ClickBank, CJ used to be called CJ Affiliate. They're available, so you'll be able to find them. You don't necessarily have to come to Wealthy Affiliate unless, of course, you want to. These merchants offer the affiliate links to their members, and the most obvious one is Amazon. And I'll show you how that works in a minute with one of their affiliate links. But bear in mind, though, all affiliate links are not equal. The commission offered is different. You can see here the commission here from this one is $11.99, whereas some of these high percentage ones, not quite so high percentage down there, but here, Volusion 2000. That would be quite interesting. Yahoo Small. I wonder what their small print says, though. I wonder what you actually have to do to be able to achieve that as a commission. But you never know. It depends on the percentage set by the company and what their terms and conditions are. Okay, so let's look at Amazon. Amazon has become less competitive in their affiliate marketing percentages of late, so I would advise looking around for other programs that offer affiliate commissions for the products you are promoting. Amazon is still a good fallback, though, in the early stages of your affiliate marketing business, as some merchants need to see a good percentage of traffic going through your site before they will offer you any commissions. There are a few conditions for Amazon Affiliate as well for membership, in that you need to have an active website, populated with blogs, etc., as you have only 180 days to make a commission or your account is closed. All this is not lost, though. You can reapply. Amazon isn't the only affiliate merchant, as I mentioned earlier. There are many others, but Amazon is the easiest to demonstrate for the affiliate link, which is why I'm using it today. So let's assume that you have now joined Amazon and you're an associate. You've written your blog, so let's go find the link. You find your product on Amazon in the usual way. Just type it in and look for it. But remember, if you have customers in the USA and the UK, for example, you need to be an associate of both. So I've written a blog about inflatable kayaks, the Intex Explorer. I found it on amazon.co.uk and it is available in the USA as well, so that's great for me. The top of the page here you see Amazon Associate Site Stripe. This is where I find all my Amazon Associate links. They offer a text, an image, and a text and image. I usually go for the text and image separately. You can see what you get by clicking each one, and if you click onto this, you'll be given this box which you would then embed into your blog. But I find that's a little bit restrictive, and it's not always how I want things to appear. And the image tends to be fairly small. So I don't generally go for that. I generally go for the image, and I'll go for a large image. Copy the text, take it in, embed it into my website, into my blog, and the image appears, and it's a really good quality image. Don't ever be tempted to go into Amazon and do a screenshot of this, of what you want, because they'll find it and they will penalize you. You're not allowed to do that. You have to embed the image using their text, their link. So that's how I get the image. And with the text, I copy this text and I'll take it over to my blog and I'll show you how to insert it now. So I'm going to take the image first, and I'm going to copy the large one from here. So I'm going to click onto that, copy it, then go over to my page. This is my website where I've got it ready. Here's my inflatable kayaks, and I'm going to add the code into here. Mine is slightly different because this is a Divi theme, but I'll show you how to do a text link in a second. So I've copied the code and I'm going to insert it there, and there my image appears. You can see it's not huge. I'll probably fiddle about with that a little bit on some of my settings, and I'll be able to get the image a little bit bigger, but I'll do that later. So I've got my image all sorted out. Let's go back and get the text link. So my text link is there. I want the short link. Let's copy that and take that back over, and I'm going to add in a text box. Where's my text box? There it is. Add a text box. I can put here my thing. I'm going to put, it is the in-text Explorer purchase here, because I want them to in fact I'm going to change that to click here for purchase. That's better. Then I can put my link in. So I'll put my link in there, paste it in, click it, and I am good to publish. Okay, so we've published. I'm going to exit my Visual Builder. Look at the page. Here we go. So I've got my image. You could click on that. You can see as I scroll over it, it's clickable, and so is that. And if I click onto that, it will automatically take them to the page for them to purchase it. So we're good to go. Okay, so you can see how easy it was to do those affiliate links when you know what you're doing. You'll be able to find plenty of affiliate links with other merchants on the internet. Just have a search around, find the other merchants, join their programs, and they will have their way of doing the affiliate link, but they explain it all to you, so you won't have a problem. But the Amazon link just shows you how easy it is to do. So if you liked my blog, then please like it below and come over to Entrepreneur Smart and read some of my other articles. And I'm always there if you want to send me a message or a review, then that's fantastic. Have a great day.